last year summer outside this. Yeah, time I get nice again. Yeah, getting ready for this. Anyway guys, remember them, you tell me, see? Look the best. 1, 2, 3. So nice. So we do outside for the summer and inside for the winter. So some of them here are basement decoration. Yeah man, that's how we do it man. Love to enjoy ourselves. Party all day, all night. Outside, inside. See number 11 yeah, I go on with myself that day, you know, with how much different backdrop in the backyard, you know. Yeah, I go on with myself man. So like for the ground, I actually want to do something to it. Alright guys, here is the, and tell me if I have views. I have views, not sure. I put the red carpet down right there so.